Let's talk about how to set up an error page. There are actually many different types of error pages. If you're thinking, what is an error page? Well, if you go to a site, let's say, for example, my site, www.yourdomain.com, and your visitor goes to /test and that test folder no longer exists, then they're going to get an ugly error page that says page not found. Now, as a business owner, if you're getting traffic and they're hitting your error pages and you're not redirecting your error pages back to your main site, then you're losing a lot of traffic. So I've set up an example here so that you can see better. And if you go to cPanel X and you scroll down, and it's all the way at the bottom under the advanced section, if you click on error pages and select the domain name, which is instant private label videos, and there are 5 different types of error pages. Now, in this example, I basically want to make all of these error pages redirect back to my domain name, because what good is it if somebody visits my error page and they don't know how to get back to the front page or whatever. So this is a great way to increase your sales, increase your traffic back to your site so you're not losing out. So the question is, how do you redirect back to the site? Well, the first thing you want to understand is how to redirect or create a redirect page in HTML. Well, if I go to Google here and I type in HTML redirect, what you're looking for is code that will allow you to redirect. So for example, normally what I do is just click any of these links, and what I'm looking for is a meta refresh tag that allows me to redirect people to my main domain name. So I'm looking for this meta refresh. If I copy that, highlight and copy that, and exit this, and I'll work on this one. If I click on the bad request and I highlight everything, which I can do, right click, select all, delete, and paste that here. And of course I want to make everything look decently nice. And once I do that, make sure that your content equals 0. The URL is actually going to be the domain name that you want to redirect everybody to. So all I would do is copy, paste, and replace the yourdomain.com with this information, and that's it. So if you look at it, basically what I'm doing is redirecting the error pages back to this page. So if I highlight this and copy it, I'm basically going to save that to every single page that you see here. The 400, 401, 403, 404, and the 500 page. So I'm just going to open these in new windows and copy that in there, press save, and do the same thing with the other pages. Because most likely people are going to realize, oh, that page doesn't exist anymore, but here's the main sales page. So I have saved all these files, and what I'm going to do is show you, for example, let's say for example that I do this site / bunch of gibberish. If I'm successful with creating these error pages, they should go back to my main page. And there we go, I'm successful with that. That's pretty easy, wasn't it? So that's how you create custom pages that will redirect to your main page, or you can use that example to redirect it to a special page or redirect it to another page.